Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Travel 360. Now we are exactly located in Hassan bus stand, which is one of the largest bus stand in Asia continent. Now we are decided to go to the Subramania via Sakleshpura road in the Vistadom coach, which is recently inaugurated by South Western Indian Railways. Today I will introduce my team which we are going to the Subramania road. First one is Sharath BR. Second one is Sachin L. Third one is Kiran AE. Fourth one is Hemant Sagar N. And the last one is, and he is also a YouTuber. He has his own channel, Navikas Corner, and his name is Vikas TS. We are exactly located in Hassan Junction railway station, which is 2 kilometers far away from the Hassan new bus stand, and now we are waiting for the arrival of the train.
This Vistadom coach is specially designed with 180-degree turnable seats. For each and every seats, they are provided a separate mobile charging sockets. Each transparent windows has its own sliding screens. For sleeping facilities, we can slide back the seats. Every coach has stainless steel multi-stage luggage racks where you can place your luggages. Each coaches containing of 44 seats with a air conditioning system. For our safety purpose, they are provided a automatic fire detection and alarming system along with CCTV and also a emergency button. And at the end of the coach, there is an observatory lounge where we can watch the outside scenery of the Western Ghats. Here you are seeing the digital display screen which shows the present station name and the speed at which the train is moving. At the extreme end of the coach, we can find mini pantry which containing hot cases, micro oven, coffee maker, bottle cooler, refrigerator and wash basin can be seen in the service area. We can enter the coach compartment through an automatic sliding door. It can contains SRP modulator biotoilet and biotank. Outside coach compartment designed with a location LED display screen and each wheel with 8-spring suspension. Each coach built with a cost of 4.5 crores.
All the facilities, ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋರೋವರ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 100 ಟನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 100 ಟನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಸ್ being built long time. So almost Western Ghats ಎಲ್ಲನೇ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Beautiful experience. Everyone should try.